Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can download CapCut on your laptop or computer. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use any browser, but in this example, we'll use Google Chrome. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type in CapCut, then press Enter. From the search results, click on the official CapCut website. Make sure you're clicking the correct official site to avoid downloading from unsafe sources. Once you're on the home page, you'll see options like Try Online or Download. If you want to install it on your computer, go ahead and click on the Download button, usually located on the home page or in the top right corner. After clicking Download, the installer file will start downloading. If you're using Chrome, you'll see the file appear at the bottom of your screen. Once it's finished, click on it to open the installation wizard. If you don't see the file, you can manually go to your Downloads folder using File Explorer and run the installer from there. Now, once you launch the installer, the setup process will begin. It will start installing CapCut on your system, and you'll see a progress bar moving up to 100%. During this process, the installer may also check your system to make sure your laptop or computer can run the software properly. After installation is complete, you'll see the CapCut icon appear on your screen. Click on it to open the application. You might be asked to confirm or finalize setup. Just follow the on-screen instructions. And once everything is ready, CapCut will open and you can start creating your first project right away. From here, you can import videos, add effects, edit clips, and begin your video editing journey. And that's it. CapCut is now successfully installed on your laptop or computer. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.